What if academic chaos wasn't just a student problem? What if professors were unintentionally part of the storm? At universities, students juggle overlapping assessments with little visibility. Professors plan in isolation, unaware of workload clashes. The result? Burnout, frustration, and uneven academic performance. There's no centralized way to align assessments across courses and sections. Students are overwhelmed. Professors lack insight, and academic planning becomes reactive instead of intentional. TeachMate changes that. It's an AI-powered platform built for Qatar University to bring order to assessment planning for both students and professors. Professors upload syllabi in PDF format. TeachMate extracts all assessment dates automatically. It flags scheduling conflicts across sections and recommends balanced timing to reduce overload. Professors can also validate weights, track changes, and manage assessments all from one dashboard. Calendar showing all assessments across courses. They receive early warnings for heavy workload weeks. Grade tracking and smart reminders help them stay on top of their progress without surprises. TeachMate uses AI to analyze assessment timelines, classify workload intensity, and visualize it in real time. It's built with modern, scalable technology designed for reliability, speed, and usability. TeachMate isn't just a planning tool. It's a system that brings transparency, balance, and structure to the academic experience for everyone involved. TeachMate, because better planning leads to better learning.